In this video, I'll guide you through how to create projects in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fill everything out so your projects are set up correctly from the start. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Sign into your Xero account the way you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Xero dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access things like invoices, bills, contacts, and of course, projects. From the main navigation menu at the top of the screen, look for the option labeled Projects. Depending on your setup, this might be in the main menu bar or under a menu like Business. Go ahead and click on Projects. This takes you to the Projects area where you can see and manage any projects you've already created. Inside the Projects area, you'll see a few different views and filters. To see everything in one place, click on All Projects. This view gives you a complete list of every project in your Xero organization, no matter what stage they're in. It's a good place to start so you can quickly check whether a project already exists before creating a new one. Now let's create a new project. Look for a button that says New Project or something similar, usually near the top right of the project's page. Click on New Project to open the project creation form. This is where you'll set up the basic structure of your project. You'll notice that Xero lets you track the status of a project, such as draft or in progress. Draft status is useful if you're still planning the details and you're not ready to start work or assign time and costs yet. In progress status is for projects that are active and underway, where you're already doing work and want to start tracking time, expenses, and invoices. Think about where your project is right now and choose the appropriate status so you can keep your project list organized and easy to understand later. Next, enter the details for your project. Start with a clear project name that makes sense to anyone who might look at the list later. You may also be able to link the project to a specific customer or contact, which is especially helpful for billing and reporting. Add a description if there's a field for it. This can include the scope of work, key goals, or any notes that might help your team understand what the project covers. If there are optional fields like budget, start date, or due date, fill those in as accurately as you can. Adding this information up front makes it much easier to track progress, manage deadlines, and compare actual costs against your original plan. Take a moment to double check what you've entered so far and make sure everything is spelled correctly and linked to the right customer. Once all the required details are filled in and you're happy with the setup, click the Create button. Xero will save your new project and take you to the project's main page. From here, you can start adding time entries, expenses, and other details as the work progresses. That's all there is to it. You've just created a new project in Xero, and you're ready to start tracking your work in a more organized and accurate way.